Tired of being bombarded with notifications from Discord servers you no longer use? Today, we'll show you how to declutter your Discord by leaving servers on both your computer and phone, freeing you from the digital noise. First, let's tackle the desktop app. Open Discord on your computer. Look to the left-hand side, where you'll find a list of all the servers you're currently a member of. Hover your mouse over the icon of the server you wish to leave. Right-click on the server icon. A menu will appear. Scroll down and click on the Leave Server option. A confirmation window will pop up asking if you're sure you want to leave. Click the Leave Server button to confirm, and just like that, you're out. Now, let's move on to the mobile app. Open the Discord app on your phone. Tap the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu, in the top left corner to reveal your server list. Find the server you want to leave and tap and hold on its icon. A menu will pop up. Scroll down until you see the Leave Server option and tap it. A confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to leave. Tap yes or leave to confirm your decision. And you're done. The server will disappear from your list. Now you can enjoy a cleaner and more streamlined Discord experience across all your devices. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Discord tips and tricks.